Hey guys, I'm Marty. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of the CatDrive. The CatDrive is actually a NAS or network attached storage. This was sent to me so I can try it out and make a video for you guys. I still haven't tried it out at all, but I decided to go ahead and do the unboxing first and then finish the video with my final thoughts on the device. So right here, in the back, of course, it says share it all in one place, access and share from anywhere, privacy protection, private spaces for multiple users, freely share to social networks, quick and simple setup. It's also a friendly CatDrive app. You can set it up with that. Has a Marvel dual core chip with 1 terabyte hard drive, gigabit internet, and of course you can use it with any of these devices that you see right there in the bottom. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this was an Indiegogo or Kickstarter. I don't remember one of them, one of those two. And they asked me if I wanted to try it out. You know, show me the pictures and videos and all that. And I said, you know what? Hell yeah, it looks pretty cool. And it's something that I could actually use as well. So this is the device right here. But let's go and show you guys what's over here. Okay, so here we got a network cable you can use. So Ethernet cable, regular Ethernet cable. You also got here this, if I'm not mistaken, let's see, this should be to power the device. Yeah, this is to power the device right there. And of course you got the, okay, over here you got the charging block for the device as well, just to charge it. There you go. So it's pretty big. And of course you got the instruction manuals, which I already did follow, and it looks like it's simple. I haven't tried it yet, but I did go over it and to download the app, to know the name of the app that I should download, and that's what I did. That's the only thing that I did when I opened up the box. So here is the device right here, and it's pretty cool because it's rounded. It has these gold trims right there, which actually makes it look a little bit more elegant, especially if you're gonna use it like near your TV or near your furniture sections. This is gonna look really nice, and it also comes in white as well, which I honestly was hoping they send me the white, because the white actually looks pretty damn awesome, but they didn't. They sent me the black one, but it still looks good because you know, it's black and it has the gold writing. Has the gold ring right around it. Here, of course, you got the internet connection and the power connection there, and that's it. There's no like USB thumb drive or SD card slot at all. Over here, you got the CatDrive right there. There you go. You got some fans. There you go. And of course, it's only a 1 terabyte. So first of all, what you want to do is download to whatever device you have. Make sure you download the CatDrive application. It's available for every device, Android or iOS, and even Windows as well. And I think it's also available for Mac computers as well. Once you have that, make sure you just open it up and you just plug this device to the power. Oh, like see there? Oh, look at that. That gold letter are actually blinking blue. Wow, it didn't really look like LED lights or LED letters. And go, let's go and plug this to the network. This is actually connected. I'm using a cable that I already was using. Okay, is this connected properly? Yeah, it doesn't do no click. I'm waiting for the click, but it's not doing no click. So I guess it should be already connected there. Like see there, it already changed to a couple colors. It changed to red, and now it's like orange, blinking orange or blinking gold there. Okay, let's go put there like that, and it's going to whoops. It's going to open the application here and start the setup. It should be easy, but like I said, I'm just going to do the initial setup. Right here, you're going to go ahead and enter your location. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and enter my phone number. Okay, so that was pretty cool. What you do is you put your phone number, and then you're going to receive like a text message with a code that you have to enter in the application. That way it can make sure it is secure and that it's actually connected to your phone, and it's your phone and that you actually have it, you know, just to make sure everything is secure. Once you do that and click next, you got the storage device right here available. It says CatDrive have been found. One cat drive. I guess you can have more cat drives as well. Capacity, the serial number. It says binding. Let's go ahead and click binding. And for getting better services, select the location. Of course, I'm going to choose United States. Click next. Finally, it binded. It took forever. Then I had to quit the application and do the binding again, and it connected right away. When I started the binding again, it connected like in less than 20 seconds. So now, after it binds correctly, it says cat drive is bound. You're gonna have your phone number, and you're gonna have a profile picture that you can actually set up. I skipped that way you guys don't see my phone number. You also have this right here. It says share circle header photo, share file over share circles, family, company, friends. So like you see there, you can create like different profiles for family, company, and friends. Click right there. You can go ahead and add another person from your contacts. Click next. Here you can invite other people to use your storage. You gotta use your family and friends, add mobile contacts as if you want right there, but I'm gonna go ahead and skip. And setup is complete. A 3D journey is CatDrive. Start your CatDrive. So this right here is my CatDrive. This is my storage section, which is private to me. Everything that I put here, only I will be able to have access to it. Here is shared. Everything that I put here in this section, everybody that I invite to use my storage will actually be able to see it there. And over here has how many members connected. The CatDrive is online. You see the status right there. It's a 1 terabyte. You also have what I'm using. So far I'm using 0 because we just set it up. You got the user manual right here. And over here you got album backup if you want to back up your album. Now keep in mind, why would you use this? This is basically like your cloud service, personal cloud service, like for example Dropbox or something like that. But in this case, this is personal to you. Only you have access to it. You only have a full control over all your files and pictures. So everything that you put here, you can actually access from any device and supposedly from anywhere in the world as well. So that's the purpose of this device. It says auto backup photos and videos, connect Wi-Fi, automatically detects new photos and videos, select album to backup, look up files. So if I want to select an album, a specific album from my phone to backup, I can just click right there, specific album, the camera, look up for backup files, and that's it. So right now it's actually backing up my camera. In app storage, there you go. Right now it's empty. Recycle bin, right now it's empty. And settings, there you go. Upload and download. Here it says using cellular data, can upload, consume data and all that. My profile, clear cache, languages, CatDrive settings. There you go. LED, if you want to turn the LED off, you can actually click right there, but why would you? Look at that, it turns off like there and turn on. Remember, the reason you actually need the LED, because let's say it's malfunctioning, it's gonna be blinking red. If there's like a hardware problem, it's gonna be like steady red. When it's blue, that means it's working perfectly and all that. Close CatDrive, restart the CatDrive. So if you need to restart it, you just click right there and it will automatically restart that. If you want to unbind your phone from this device, all you got to do is click right there and it will start all over again. Unbind this phone just in case you're going to sell it, right? You're going to sell it. Make sure you unbind right there. And basically that's it. So that's how this application actually works. It says automatically backup phone turned on. Yeah, that's turned on right here. Cool. So if I want to send this over there, let's see. These upload to CatDrive, and there you go, has been added to the upload list. So right here, it's gonna click right there. Right now, like you see there, it says completed. These are already completed. These are ongoing. So right now, it's actually backing up my photos. Look at that. It's actually backing up my photos. Oh, that was pretty good. That was pretty fast right there. It says upload complete. So right here it says full column, 2 columns. Okay. So it's showing you how to use this applications once you have it there. Not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish trying this out. Try this if I can access it from another device, and then I'll come back with the second half of the video. Okay, so here we are back again after using the device for a couple days already. Now keep in mind this, of course, like I said, this is a NAS drive, which is called the CatDrive, and it's actually right now at $99. I thought it was actually $149, but right now it's actually $99. I'm gonna leave links in my description for this device. But first of all, let's go and walk you through to all you can do here in your application. First of all, you have all your photos that have been backed up to your device. All this that you see here is actually backed up to the CatDrive. Right now, if I want to zoom in, I just swipe like that or pinch, and it'll zoom into all the photos. But if you pinch out, you can actually see the dates as well here when the pictures were actually taken. Up here in the top, you tap right there, you can see all the videos that you have taken so far, and they're backed up to the drive. So right now you can delete all these videos from your phone and they're still gonna be backed up to your drive. So if I want to play one of them, I just click right there, and this is how it plays. You see there, anytime, watch it. Here you have a couple options there to share as well. You can download as well. Like if you're watching a video or something like that, you can actually download it. Click right there. You got shared, share it, delete, and more. You have options for download, move, rename, or open. Of course, like I said before, of this device, you can actually add more accounts or more members to use this device. So far, I haven't added more people. I could easily add my wife and my kids if I want, and it's really, really easy. But everything that you see here in this section is actually gonna be shared between everybody, right? If you add somebody, right? If you add somebody to the account, right now I only have myself. But right here you can see myself. If you have 3 people, you're gonna have 3 people right there. And what to add somebody, all you gotta do is click right there. Once you click right there, it's just gonna show you guys all the names and phone numbers of everybody. I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna show you guys all the names and phone numbers, and all you gotta do is click add, and it will send them an invite. That way they can download the application and follow the instructions, and that's it. Here you got user data. So far, I have 8.9 gigabytes saved in my cloud drive, which is, you know, this is the drive which is meant to be like a cloud drive, your personal cloud drive. So I have 228 photos, 30 videos so far, no music, no documents. But if I want, I can add some more. Oh, look at that. It updated to 11.3 gigabytes. Now, available storage, you can see it like that. If you have more people, you're gonna see in the pie, you can see how many gigabytes this person is using, how many gigabytes this person is using so far, and so on, so on. In-app, right here, you can access other files from your phone and back it up as well. Like for example, if you have music in a folder, you can just tap right there and it'll just go ahead and back it up as well if you want. I try to look for an application for the Windows computer and I didn't find it. I don't know why. So far, I haven't found it in the App Store, and also I went to the website. I didn't find an application as well. But all I've seen so far is that they're saying that if you want to share like photos and pictures in your computer, you actually have to share it to a social network, or you can actually create a link and share that link, and that way that person can access your photo using that link. For example, if you want to add a link to share to somebody, that way they can use it in the computer, right? You could go like this, click whatever picture you want to share. Right here it says share it. Right here it says get link, and get link. That's it. Link is being copied to your clipboard. So that means if I open like let's show you guys the link right there, so you guys can have an idea how the link looks. Whoops. Right? If I want to go paste it, that's the link. There you go. That's the link that you can go ahead and share with somebody. And that way they can actually access your photos and your videos that you share with that person. Now, it's only going to be visible if you still have those folders or those files in the drive. If you don't have it, they just not gonna have access to it. So basically that is it. That's how the CatDrive, your personal cloud storage, actually works. Of course, I did test it. I went offline as well. You know, I took myself off the Wi-Fi network and I tried to access the device as well, all my files, and I actually had access to all my files as well. That's one thing to keep in mind, because remember, when you first set this up, you're actually entering your phone number, so that way it's binding your phone number, your phone, with the device, so it doesn't matter where you at. Every time you log in and all that, it actually recognizes your phone and it grants you access to the drive. That's how it actually confirmed that it's you. And basically that's it. So like I said, it's only $100. It actually looks pretty cool. Honestly, if you put it like in between furnitures, if you put it in your desk, it's going to look pretty nice as well. It comes in white as well, and it's only $99. Now, like I said, this is a 1 terabyte hard drive, which is honestly, it's the only negative I would have to say, because there's no way to add more storage. There's no USB drive. There's no micro SD slot or SD card slot. There's nothing more you can add. There is a 2.5 gigabyte, 2.5 millimeter hard drive inside, which is a laptop hard drive, but you cannot replace it. They recommend not to do it yourself. So I don't know how you can, you know, maybe later on in the future you can actually upgrade to a bigger hard drive or not, but that's how it works. So guys, and that's it for this video. Like I said, it actually works pretty good, just like advertised. If you want a simple NAS device, a network attached storage device that's easy to use, and you want it to automatically back up your phone every time you go home, you get home, I think this is a very nice device. Like I said, the only negative thing is that the hard drive is not replaceable right now. I don't know later on if you might be able to replace it, but right now as it is, you cannot replace it. So you only have 1 terabyte of storage. That's it, only 1 terabyte storage, which honestly, in my opinion, is pretty much enough if you're using it just between just your family members or just a small family. I think that's good enough. But you know, most likely later on you're gonna need more storage. You know, more videos, more music, and all that is gonna occupy more storage. I'm gonna leave a link in my description. That way you guys can read a little bit more into it. If you're actually interested in buying it, you could buy it from that link as well. And thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think about this device. Till next time.